Hello, it's me, I'm Nafith. In this short video, I would like to discuss the concept of the trust anchor profile, which is the concept that means that we are creating a trust relationship between the switch and a root CA. So in this example, we have a root CA and we have our ArubaOS switch. So the root CA has, if that root CA has to issue or to communicate with the switch, has to be trusted. And the way these switches indeed work, we would like to download the root CA itself. So basically, the certificate will be downloaded from that root CA. Did that be anything like center on premises or some other authentication server? Then we would like to create a TA profile on the switch. We will copy the root CA to the switch. After that, the switch would be able to trust the root CA. So the relationship between the switch and the root CA will be that the switch accept that root CA certificate, means it is going to trust that root CA. And anything signed by that root CA will be trusted by the switch. So here's the TFTP, which is going to be used in this case, and we did download the root CA from that, which is root certificate. This one has been downloaded already. We can explore this obviously, and we can find out the certificate. It's a PEM format certificate. If you look into this, of course, it can be anything, but it's a PEM format certificate. If I edit this one, or if I would like to open this, you're going to see that certificate, begin certificate, that's the end of the PEM certificate. That's going to be copied using TFTP into the switch. So then the switch will be able to trust that root CA. Look into the switch. We can issue the command show crypto PKI TA profile. So here we can see we have already done root CA. The switch comes installed with a few certificates, and so for example, the trust or the TA profile default is the switch default or self-signed certificate. This means the switch is reachable by HTTPS, but it's self-signed. It means by default the client will not trust that. So to do this, we need to make sure that we have TFTP server ready, as we have shown you, and that's a server, and that's with the location of the certificate or the root certificate that we have downloaded from that device. And specifically in this case, we did download from center on premises. So the first step we're going to do is to create a TA, and then we copy the certificate to that TA. We'll have a look at that now. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to the config mode, and then I'm going to create a TA profile. The name doesn't matter, but we would like to give it something like central on-prem, for example, root. Again, as I said to you, the name, it doesn't really matter, but something that we can have a look. So now we issue the same command, show crypto PKI TA profile. You're going to see that is pending. Pending means it has nothing yet. So we can look at that specific profile now, TA profile, on that switch. We can see it's empty. There's nothing really installed into this one. What we're going to do now, we would like to copy from TFTP, and then we would like to copy that to the TA. So basically certificate, we're going to do TA certificate into the destination, which is the one we have just created. And then we would like to add the IP address of the TFTP server and the certificate name. So the actual file that we're going to copy in this case. And the actual file we're going to copy, we're going to see now in a sec. we can see show dir, and we can explore, and we can just come here, right click, copy, and then we go there and we will be able to issue that command. So now we say, of course, the extension is pim, which is the file extension. We should be able to get root transfer is successful. Now, if you issue the same command as we have issued previously, we're going to see certificate has been downloaded into that trust anchor. And if we issue the same command or similar command, which is show me that profile, you're going to see now it says installed, right? It used to say pending. And that's a simple process how to install the root TA. I'll leave the commands underneath the comments, and thank you very much.